How can I fix an invalid Gmail account?
Hello there. Are you having trouble accessing your Gmail account? Are you receiving messages stating that your Gmail account is invalid? Don't worry. In this video, we will take you through a step-by-step process to fix this issue. Remember, patience is key when dealing with technical issues.
Is your account really invalid?
Before jumping to conclusions, make sure your Gmail account is truly invalid. Try logging in from a different device or using a different internet connection. Sometimes, the problem could be with your device or your internet, not your account.
Recovering your Gmail account.
If you've confirmed the issue is with your account, it's time to recover it. Visit the Gmail login page and click on Forgot Email. You will then be prompted to enter the recovery email or phone number associated with your account. After you've provided the required information, Google will send a verification code. Enter this code to proceed with the recovery process. Remember, having updated recovery information is crucial to recover your Gmail account quickly.
Checking for potential hacks.
If your account is marked as invalid, it might have been compromised. Check for suspicious activities like unfamiliar emails in your sent folder or unfamiliar devices connected to your account. If you notice anything strange, immediately change your password. Make sure you use a strong password that includes a combination of numbers, letters, and special characters.
Contacting Google support.
If you've tried everything and your account is still invalid, it might be time to contact Google support. Go to Google's Help Center, navigate to the Gmail section and follow the instructions for contacting support. Provide all the necessary details about your issue and wait for their response. Fixing an invalid Gmail account might seem daunting, but it's usually a matter of patience and following the right steps. We hope this video guide has been helpful for you. Remember, keeping your account information updated and setting a strong password can help prevent such issues in the future. Stay safe online.